Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops at home with sugar and water. First, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2/3 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir these ingredients together over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. This initial step is crucial for a smooth, clear candy base. Make sure to use a clean pan to prevent crystallization. Once the sugar is dissolved, stop stirring and insert a candy thermometer. Make sure the thermometer doesn't touch the bottom of the pan. Let the mixture boil steadily over medium-high heat. Watch the temperature carefully. It needs to reach exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. This is the hard crack stage, which gives lollipops their signature crunch. Patience is key here for perfect results. As soon as the syrup hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. Quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavoring, like cherry or grape. If you want colorful lollipops, now is the time to add a few drops of food coloring. Work quickly but carefully, pouring the hot mixture into your prepared lollipop molds or onto parchment paper around the sticks. Be mindful of the extreme heat. Let your freshly poured lollipops cool undisturbed for at least 30 minutes, or until they are completely firm. Once cooled, carefully remove them from the molds. To keep them from getting sticky, wrap each lollipop individually in cellophane. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature. For more great tips and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and is pet-friendly, look for the link and other deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.